Hey, everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. This one is a little bit different. It's in response to many requests I had yesterday after the video was uploaded, and people are so wanting more information about SBI and how they are going forward in the derivatives market. And so, I went and listened to Mr. Kitao-san speak at the Japan Blockchain Conference on Tuesday of last week. And then he also had his management meeting, which you can find online, where he talks about entering the derivatives market. And they're not just entering, but they are creating and actively going towards the execution. And the point is that it's very clear, and they've made the public statements and also announced some of the partners that are within the ecosphere for that reality to happen. But it's still been a little blurry. And just because the dates have not been announced and the actual roadmap as to how they're going to achieve it has not been laid out publicly. So I just thought, okay, we know it's happening. We know he's actively working on it. That was made clear at the Japan Blockchain Conference speech. So I just went and put some pieces of the puzzle together, starting back in October of last year up to an announcement that just came out yesterday. And when we see all of the activity that SBI has taken in terms of strategic partnerships and investments, I think we have a clearer understanding as to how close we really are. So there has been so much talk about institutional money coming into this marketplace, but I think you're going to see after this video how close it is. All right, so let's start first with this, and I'll move quickly. And if I move too fast, then please go to the comment section and find the links below. And I'm going to put all the links to all of these tabs down there, and you can have another look if you are interested. So Bitcoin trading company, bcause with the lowercase b, this is actually a company that they closed a Series A round of funding that was led by SBI Holdings. So this is October 2017. And in this investment into bcause, it will help them become the first U.S. regulated designated contracts market exchange in the cryptocurrency derivatives market in the United States that can be provided for retail investors and will support the creation of the digital currency ecosystem in the strategic U.S. market, said Yoshitaka Kitao, Representative Director, President, and CEO of SBI Holdings, Inc., in the press release. This is an important long-term partnership that will advance the development of the widespread use of digital currencies around the world. All right, we're going to see this pattern. This is not just a focus on the United States, and you'll see as we continue to move through these tabs. All right, so October and the company bcause. Then we move a little forward into February 2018, and SBI Holdings invests in the ICO consulting firm T1R. And in the US, T1R, by the brand name of Coin Theory, provides comprehensive consultation services on ICO token issuance, including the post-issuance distribution and support and marketing, as well as the provisions of security measures. Okay? All right. So let's just take a look now, a little more recent. In Japan, the fiscal year ends in March 31st. And this is part of a 174-page slide presentation on the SBI Holdings activities to date. It's has a great cryptocurrency section, which starts on about slide 99 and moves to about 30 slides into the entire presentation. And here is the slide that first starts to talk about the creation of cryptocurrency derivative market. So entering the cryptocurrency derivative market, and we see here, aha. So remember that last slide was talking about that they invest in February, and then March 31st, they include this bcause, which is the fintech startup in the U.S. offering a service related to cryptocurrency derivatives in the U.S. Okay, so we see that in their slide for their year-end meeting. Okay, now let's keep moving. We get to SBI backs token exchange Templum, a $10 million funding round. I remember covering this story, and at the time, I really didn't understand how it fit into the whole ecosphere, but I'm really now getting a better understanding. So this is as of April 26, 2018, and you can see that Templum is seeking to build a regulation-compliant platform for the sale and trade of digitized assets and securities. According to Templum, the new fund will be used to further develop its services and alternative trading platform. All right, so like I said, I'm going to move quickly because I'm just kind of painting the roadmap of where SBI has been and where they are going. 2 days after that, an official announcement on the Business Wire came out, and I want to just talk about one point here that I found worth mentioning. So in that release, it says, "We are pleased to be able to obtain the support of SBI." This is Templum talking. "I believe that this investment will expand the relationship with the highly acclaimed institution SBI is a safe for TAO, which is Tokenized Asset Offerings. We share our mission of building a trading platform, and I'm looking forward to cooperating with SBI in Japan and Asia as a whole." Okay, that was, I think, very key. Moving a little further, I want to just make sure that we have a full understanding of Templum. So Templum is a blockchain firm, and they they bring the CUSUP, the Global Services Partner. And CUSUP is the 9-digit identifying number that is used with in the securities market. So so Templum Markets, a subsidiary of fintech firm Templum Inc., is a broker-dealer fully approved in 50 states and other foreign jurisdictions. Okay, moving on. We are getting yet closer. This is May 11th, 2018. Templum, the future of the tokenized asset offering, or also known as TAO. So in this very short story, but important, in February of this year, Templum purchased broker-dealer and alternative trading system ATS, Liquid M Capital, a regulated tokenized asset trading platform that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in compliance with the U.S. securities regulations, notably treating digital assets as securities. Okay? I think it's just getting just too interesting from this point on. Then we come to June 29th, 2018. Templum Markets, a subsidiary of FinTech Templum, Inc., is a broker-dealer fully approved in 50 states and other foreign jurisdictions. Templum Markets Alternative Trading System, ATS, brings together blockchain and tokenized assets and facilitates transparent access to capital and the secondary trading of tokenized assets. Traders on ATS will be able to negotiate directly with one another on the platform. ATS also allows companies to launch a security token. Moving on, back to the Business Wire, which was June 28th here. Templum Markets will be the first broker-dealer to offer CUSIP identifiers for tokenized and digital private securities offerings. Now, if you don't know what the CUSIP number is, I just went to Wikipedia really quick. It's a 9-character alphanumeric code that identifies a North American financial security for the purpose of facilitating clearing and settlement of trades. Okay? Moving on. This is Wednesday, 7/2. So this is July 2nd, 2018. Blockchain startup Templum gets into an agreement to buy U.S. broker-dealer. So before, we knew that the Liquid M Capital and Templum were working together, affiliated. But now they actually bought them and are going to launch a regulated platform for token trading on the U.S. market. And if I come down here, the action allows Templum to utilize the acquired firm's capabilities to create a turnkey solution for the initial issuance and secondary trading of ICOs. This is where I need to ask for Susie's help, because Susie at Esoteric Trading is a finance banking expert. And there are some parts in this particular story that I would love to have her expound on, because I'm sure she can bring even more information as to talking about the secondary trading of ICOs. So yeah, I'm calling out to you, Susie. I would love for you to give your comments on this, because I think we all could benefit from that. So okay, so for the initial issuance, so I'm knowing this is when they're going to actually issue a brand new token, and the secondary trading of ICOs. And so secondary trading are ICOs that are already being traded out there on the market. So Susie, just correct me if I'm wrong on that. And and so those secondary ones that are already out there are going to be traded as unregistered private securities. Templum's proprietary technology combined with Liquid M Capital's ATS will provide ICO investors with the first of its kind platform for the sale and secondary trading of digital tokens. Yeah, so if everybody, this is why SBI got involved with Templum a few months back, and this is why Mr. Kitao-san says we're working on it. We're actively in this space doing something, because as of the July 2nd, you can see they are very, very close to making it happen. So the company that they bought, Liquid M Capital, I just want to read, just to make sure you understand how they fit into the picture. Liquid M Capital LLC, a financial technology company and broker-dealer registered with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. Liquid M Capital is the operators of an alternative trading system, ATS. So this is a brand new platform, everybody, and it plans to use blockchain technology as a part of the operation of the ATS. Okay. And the last one is, this is on June 1st, 2017. R3 powers Japan's blockchain derivatives prototype. So I know everybody was asking also in the comment section about Codius. I'm sorry, I can't find anything really good and juicy on Codius with SBI right now. I mean, I know that there's a lot of things in the past, but when Kitao-san was talking about, and I have my notes on my origami paper here, when he was talking about derivatives, and he was talking, that was the time that he wanted the Ripple representatives and R3 representatives to come to his office and shake hands. I mean, he really understands the difficulties, but he wants R3, and he said, Ripple is going to do our remittance. So that's, I'm absolutely sure that's what he said. And he said that R3 is going to concentrate on the smart contracts. So, yeah, all right. And in this press release, I don't know if I could call it a press release. It's just basically news. Okay. R3 and 4 Japanese financial institutions have joined forces to use blockchain in a derivatives prototype test. So Nomura, Daiwa, Mizuho, Sumitomo. Those are the giants in this country, and they are going to test this prototype developed using Corda, and R3's distributed ledger technology DLT platform based on the blockchain to streamline international swaps and derivatives association master agreement negotiations. So this is very current, as in just July 1st. All right, everybody. So it was a special request by many subscribers that are so loyal in their following that I felt compelled to put a little effort into showing how close we are to seeing this derivatives come to fruition. So exciting. This is really going to be when the money comes into play for the market cap. And so I just can't wait to see how this plays out. Okay, everybody, sorry, no fluff on this video because like I said, it was a little bit of a special video. And Susie, I am calling on you to please make your comments because you are the banking expert, not me. And I would love to hear what you have to say. Okay, sweetie. And everybody, talk to you later. Sayonara for now. Bye-bye.